Hello everybody, this is Ra X Mari and welcome. Oh, you just sneezed. That was adorable. That was adorable. Mr. in his natural habitat. He's so cute. You guys are so cute. Hey, come here. Hi. Hey. Boop. Hey. 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 But aren't they just the cutest? Hi. But that one's tiny. This one's tiny. I named him. And what are you doing to my foot? What? Don't you dare bite that kitten. Don't you dare bite that kitten. Yay, those are mine. Ow, ooh, ooh, your tiny claws are like little needles. Don't you dare bite the, don't you dare bite that kitten. Don't you dare bite that kitten. Mister. Oh, no, don't eat any of that over there. None of that is food. Hey. Oh my gosh, I could totally watch this for hours, but I can't. That's a boot. I know it's all stinky, isn't it? You just touched it. It's so cute. And yeah. Don't you dare bite that kitten. Stop hitting their butts. Don't you dare bite that kitten. They are just so cute. Oh, I almost forgot that I had my camera on for a second. Oops. You are so tiny. And cute. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, 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 hello. Okay, I think that's enough. You just sneezed! How cute!